الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون. Even ask the people of knowledge to them if indeed many of the people of the world. That is the question. Allah Azza wa says there is no harm in doing this because it is from the bounty of your Lord. It is from the grace of your Lord subhanahu wa ta'ala. For Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that there is no calamity that befalls you except that it is as a result بما كسبت أيديكم. It is as a result of that which you earned by your own hands, meaning the sins that you have accumulated. A number of times in the Qur'an, don't be deceived by the dunya. Don't look around the dunya and think that this is all there is. Don't think that the wealth of the dunya is more than what Allah Azza wa Jalla has prepared in terms of the rewards.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم